You should do make you war start. No way killer them dog chip like a one part. That's one pianava.
Suck your mother, JayBlem. You some rifle pretty pussy.
Terro done. I'm a lot the place, you know. I give you the best review.
Fire in the rain, man, I see how I for flop this. Oh, you for stop my dog, this and a taxi.
Fire in the rain, me not see how I for stop this. If rain can't stop the fire, why go stop it, eh? You hear a little bucket of water? Go from here so with that. Oh, you for stop me, I am no taxi. JayBlem look like same now focus on Skeng. I'm not try if you do no more this song off of Skeng. It seems to me. You see me I say? And him just a focus on him career. And people, to be honest, JayBlem released a single entitled Fire in the Rain, and to be honest, is a great song. Me I tell you, if the rain a fall and the song I play, fire still a go catch. You see me I say? No joke. I mean, have to say big up JB. JB production, big up yourself. No joke. We can't go around that. JB, me love how you believe in the youth. Them, you see me I say, yeah man. I always fire whenever JB and JayBlem link up. JayBlem's song entitled Fire in the Rain is a great song, video, the concept, everything. I like it. You see me I say, I'm get to notice JayBlem and other people who follow JayBlem music, only can assist the youth here have talent. The youth here is one of the artists that I say I go have a spot in a dance hall, I go there for long. And nobody now go move him. I now go see some rascal big collabs. Me leave I go say nothing. Who now go see it? Cause trust me, the youth here go places. A lot of people probably shun it and feel like they are gimmicks, but trust me, the youth go do numbers, man. Believe me when I tell you.
Yeah, my war rich like say my win the lottery. Put my thing on a bitch lip like chopstick. Oh, my making money, customize my tactics.
Yo, that's what I tell you, say that youth are talented artists, and I mean now take back my chat, none at all. It no matter when nobody want to tell me, the youth are well bad. I want rich like say me win the lottery. Then I put my thing on a bitch lip like chopstick. People, let me tell you something, man. Wordplay are something where and a lot of artists can do. Some artists can put lyrics together, but them no must have word play when them put them lyrics together, if you understand. Like play with the words and them thing there. As I tell you, someone just crumble lyrics, you know. Real artists chat the lyrics the right way and the right format. It not scramble, it not scramble, or whichever way you want have it as. Them youth are bad artists, brother. So me have to say, yo, big up JayBlem, big up JB also. You see me? Nah, like, I love the way how JB I deal with the youth career. I like the direction where it go. A lot of people see the man a fire shot off as Skeng lyrically, and I say, yo, the dog a look hype. Let me tell you something, man. You don't know backstory of things. You see me? I say so, leave that alone. I just appreciate good lyrics. I don't know JayBlem from nowhere. I just hear him sing them and I say, it's alright then, the youth are bad. And my eyes depend how him a go about going forward with him career. And it'll do good. It'll do good. It's just people with just bad mind. And people love man and not music. I go pray otherwise.
Stretch a girl throat like come do elastic. Tough in my place, invest in my badness. Traffic matic when my portal like John Wick.
Stretch a girl throat like come do elastic. My tough in my place, me invest in my badness. Just no say a John Wick style. No joke. Viewer subscriber. Me no know. Me just can't hate pan artists if them bad. Me no know. It's like that is just blatant bad mind. Bro, so you go look pan JayBlem. Like look pan JayBlem and say I'm not talented. No, bro. That is bad mind, bro. Trust me. The youth bad, brother. And from a youth bad, let me tell you something, man. You see me is a lover of dancehall. Me no love specific artists, you know. A dancehall me love, you know. So when time I say dancehall, I get good music. And that's what me love about it. You understand? Me no love dancehall based on the fact say yo the artists are the dancehall. No, good music me love in a dancehall. So nobody feel like say me I go favorite a person and say yo that one I'm a favorite, you know. So if that one sing good song, everything where him a sing a fuckery. Nope. And as some go to work, in which you have some people do that, I'ma have a problem with them. I have a problem with them because them help fuck up the culture. Me love music and me no love man. Everybody know that say me no love man and music me love. Me love music like how me love war, so you must know that. You understand? And whenever I see JayBlem and fire shut off a Skeng and thing, even though at the moment we can't lie, Skeng is the bigger artist. But bigger no mean say necessary better. You understand? Numbers don't mean say you're talented either. Not saying Skeng not talented, me just give an example. So when me hear a next artist, when I get the big numbers, I sing good song, me can identify it because me love music. But whenever you see a man now get the big numbers, but him a sing good song, your mind shun tweet and say, yo bro, I be a fuck career singing and say you not get no views. Views don't make you be a bad artist, brother. May I make sure I say it again. Views don't make you be a bad artist. When you're a bad artist, that make you be a bad artist. Not views. You see me? Cause brother, good song sometimes nobody even want to listen. And people go off a trend. So if this not trend and say, yo, alright, here we go on. The whole of my friend them I watch that one here. So that me I go watch. Me see some fuckery movie when me see everybody I watch. But why? Why everybody I watch it? Cause it's a trend. Them put up on them suggestion. What show to watch tonight and somebody send them. So you see everybody I watch it on that trend. So you know people are gonna say obviously it's a bad movie. You ever hear some song and a fuckery, but after a while, to amount of people who are listening it and think, it's like you just join the truck. Sometimes you say, I like that song, yeah. Then 2 weeks after your favorite.
Money enough up, and I kill a duffel bag. Tell them run up, I make we send them home dog. Gun from my belly, tell them knock you bad. Exhaust push flames whenever my skate dog.
Know that, I want to listen to the man lyrics keenly. And people, the link for that song, yeah, I got it down below in the description and in the comment section tag a pin. Remember the song entitled Fire in the Rain. And remember, look out for some crazy collab. Look out for some crazy international work with the DJ, yeah. You understand? And let me tell you something. I don't even call him DJ now. I call him a sing J or a versatile artist. Cause, brother, trust me. You're going to see something where you're going to say, wow, he couldn't do that. I tell you. Yeah, man. Me hear little things with him, you know. Me hear little things. Cause I tell you, from me interested in an artist sound, me I go really dig deep into what them have to offer. You see me? And me I say, okay, this I go bring to the table. This I go bring. You see me? I say, yeah, man, a bad artist, and as me tell you, say, yo, we have to always give them youth at this trend. You see me? I say, cause that's all them need in a brother. Them don't need nobody for hug them up and read. Them just need somebody for just believe in them, dog. That's all. You see me? And JayBlem, you're one of the future artists. So me tell you, say, dog, you got the boy, dog. You got to stay. You see me? You just keep this energy same way and just hungry for the music, dog. You see me? Don't wait till when you get it now, you say, man, damn, nobody hungry. No, you have always hungry. Once you keep that mentality there, dog, you gotta reach far in the business, dog. Look who reach far. Some of them artists have stay for 2 months, 1 month, 2 weeks, you see me? You see me? And buck up if you get a hero to dance to it a move right now. Trust me. As your queen, people forget where they do. You see me? I say? So, me I tell the artists them, don't make the fame or nobody get to them or the hype. You see me? Cause the same people say yes, are them same people like I said no. Yeah, man, no joke. You can look on the years of music how it really operate. People go check out the full song, you know the thing.
Ready killer them up. Yard in charge up. Gun the day anywhere you see the boss go. Fling up on you in the head so they clear the part up.